Hello everyone! In today's video, we will show you a completely free AI video generator tool where you can use all AI video generation models for free. And these are not just any models. Here, you'll get access to famous models like Kling AI, Minimax, Luma AI, Hunyuan, Google Veo, and even the professional model of Kling AI, all for free. Plus, the videos you create will have no watermark and they will be in full high quality. And the videos you create here won't just be high quality, they will also be completely watermark-free. But wait, there's more. At the end of this video, I'll also share a secret trick with you. Yes, the tool I'm showing you allows you to generate unlimited videos using all these AI models. Yes, unlimited. That means no restrictions, no limits. But how does it all work? Let's get started. Before we start, let's first take a look at some videos I generated using this tool. Just see the results, check out the quality, no watermark, no paid features is used. Everything is completely free. And yes, you can do this too. But how? Let's learn the complete process. Okay, so what do you need to do first? You'll find the link to this tool in the video description. And not just that, I'll also share the exact prompts I use to generate these videos, so make sure to check them out. Now, when you click on the tools link, you'll see an interface like this. So the name of our tool is Hedra, and it's not just for video creation, you can also generate images here. Plus, it even has a text-to-speech feature, meaning you can create audio as well. This is an amazing tool. Now, how do you use it? Let's start. First, you need to sign up. The sign-up process is super easy. Just a few simple steps. There are 2 ways to sign up. You can either use your email or sign up with your Google account. Choose whichever method you prefer. Here, I'll go with the first method, signing up using email. So, just enter your email, set a password, and then follow the next steps to complete the process. It's super easy. Once you create your account, you'll see an interface like this. And guess what? You'll get 400 welcome credits for free. But don't worry about credits at all, because you're on the BitNext, and I always bring amazing tricks for you. I'll guide you at the end on how to get unlimited credits. But for now, let's focus on how to use this tool, especially for video generation, which is our main focus. So, let's first see how to generate a video. So, how do you generate a video? It's super simple. Just scroll down a little and you'll see the Create option. Simply click on it and you're ready to go. After clicking Create, you'll be redirected to this page. Now this is where you'll generate your video. You'll see a few options here, so let me explain. First, there's a prompt box. This is where you need to enter your prompt. As I mentioned earlier, the prompts I'm using are available in the description, so make sure to check them out. Now, after entering the prompt, as I mentioned earlier, you'll find all the famous AI video generation models here. There are many different AI models available for you to use. But here's something important to note. Each model has a different credit cost. So don't say later in the comments that I didn't tell you. Every model requires a different number of credits per generation. For example, if we use the Kling AI model, you'll see that it costs 80 credits per generation. But remember, you don't need to worry about credits because, as I told you, I'll share a trick at the end of the video on how you can use unlimited credits. Right now, I'm just guiding you so you understand how the credit system works. Got it? Next, you need to choose the aspect ratio for your video. I'm selecting 16:9 here. Next, let's talk about video quality. If you're using the Kling AI model, you'll get 1080p resolution, which is awesome. But keep in mind, different models offer different resolution qualities. Now, coming to video duration, here you have 2 options, 5 seconds and 10 seconds. If you generate a 5-second video, it will cost you 80 credits. But if you choose 10 seconds, the cost will double. So make sure to note this. Once you've set everything, you'll see the Generate button. Just click on it, and your video will be ready with stunning results. Now, let me mention something important. When you generate a video, it will take some time, at least 2 to 3 minutes, so be patient. I'm telling you this in advance so no one comments later asking why it's taking time. Sometimes it can be even faster, but it won't take more than that. Wow, just look at the result: amazing quality, no watermark, and super high resolution. The video is fully ready, and now it's time to download it. You'll see a download button here. Just click on it, and your video will be saved. Simple, right? Now, just to clear any confusion, let me generate another video quickly so you can see the process again. So, as you can see, our second video has also been generated, and the result is right in front of you: amazing quality and no watermark. Now, you must have understood the entire process of generating videos and how the credit system works. Now comes the most exciting part. I am going to reveal my secret trick, which will allow you to generate unlimited videos here. This method is for educational purposes only. Kindly do not misuse it. So, are you ready? Let's dive into this amazing trick. So, let me be clear. I am not asking you to use temporary email services. Nope, I have something much better for you. See, temporary emails are often restricted, and AI tools usually don't accept them. That's why you shouldn't use them. Instead of this, I have provided a special guide for you in the description. This method is completely free and works perfectly. Now, I can't name it directly here, nor can I show it live in video, and there's a reason for that. Many people ask me, why don't you show it live? Or why don't you mention the name? Well, the thing is, every channel has its own rules, and we've already faced a strike before. We don't want to risk another strike, because telling to create multiple accounts and showing it live in a video can be considered a violation of platform policies. If I demonstrate it here, there's a chance our channel could get another strike. That's why I have carefully written a complete guide for you. I've even posted on my website for you, making it super easy to follow. So please, go to the description, find the guide's link, and follow the steps carefully. It will teach you exactly how to bypass the credit system and create unlimited accounts. This way, you can generate unlimited videos without any restrictions. Kindly, please don't ask in the comments why we can't explain it here. We have already given you the reason. All right? Our job is to introduce you to the best tools and guide you properly. But some things are a bit tricky or suspicious, and we can't describe them directly in the video. That's why we create a detailed guide for you instead. Our goal is to give you the best possible method. Now let me tell you, nobody has shared a tutorial on this tool before. No one has explained how to use it unlimited times. Most AI video generator tools in the market are paid, and they don't offer an unlimited method. But I have revealed a way to generate unlimited AI videos. So, please check out the guide in the description, and after following it, let us know in the comments how helpful it was. And yes, please don't leave negative comments. We put in a lot of effort into making these videos, and negative comments can be really disheartening. So stay positive, check out the guide, and let us know your thoughts. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel so you can keep getting more useful videos like this. If you still have any confusion, feel free to ask in the comments. Also, let us know which AI tool you like the most and what kind of generations you plan to create with it. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.